Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this remarkable property nestled in Umtentweni, where nature's beauty meets modern convenience. Now allow me to take you on a journey through this captivating estate behind me. Surrounded by serene semi-level terrain, meticulously maintained grass banks and towering trees offering ample shade, this property truly epitomizes tranquility and charm. As we explore further, you'll notice the resilient face brick construction of the buildings, ensuring durability and minimal upkeep. The property is fully fenced with a combination of half-wall and custom-designed galvanized metal fencing, providing security and privacy. A step inside the main dwelling, boasting 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The kitchen is a standout feature, equipped with granite countertops, a gas hob, and custom-built Oregon pine cupboards. Glass doors seamlessly connect the open-plan living and lounge area to the expansive back garden, offering a harmonious indoor-outdoor living experience. Ascending to the second level, you'll find the comfortable bedrooms, including the master bedroom, with an ensuite bathroom and a charming balcony. Built-in cupboards and modern design elements adorn the secondary bedrooms and bathroom. Separate from the main house, a bachelor flat awaits, currently utilized for holiday letting. With its open-plan layout kitchen with granite countertops, the ensuite bathroom, it offers privacy and independence, ideal for guests or rental income. Adding further value to this property are the timber-built school and partially completed granny flat, offering versatility and endless possibilities for various purposes. A step outside to the expansive garden adorned with fruit trees and offering stunning views of the surrounding farmland. Backup water tanks and a solar panel and inverter system ensure self-sufficiency and sustainability. In conclusion, this property presents an idyllic retreat for nature lovers seeking space and tranquility. With its versatile layout, well-appointed features, and picturesque surroundings, it embodies the epitome of comfortable and sustainable living. Don't miss this unique opportunity to experience the farm-like living within the reach of urban amenities and beaches.